Well, here we go. I guess we're gonna pull it out of its little, temporary hiding spot. Uncovered, unburied it, and it's getting ready to pull out, going to a new home. And I'm gonna hate to see it go. It's one of, I guess a prize little car. I really enjoy it. It's a special little car too. So we'll do a walk around here in just a few minutes. Let me drive it out. we're going to do now is just a quick walk around. Little Cadillac 365 1957 Cadillac motor, and transmission is 4-speed Hydromatic dual path, Flaming River rack and pinion, Wildwood bike brakes, Model A headlights, 32 grill shell. A lot of chrome on this dude. Little 97s here, Strombergs, Petronics. I fixed the accelerator linkage, transmission linkage, oil vent leaks, transmission cooler, and brakes. Made it a driver, and it's got 3,722 miles. And I've put a lot of them on there. Killer little car. Of course, classic instruments gauges. Best I can tell, this thing was put together in 2004. Even fixed this. The trunk thing, okay? There's the fuel cell, battery. It's a nice little old car. Now, if you was wondering what was going on with the rag, I've got a magnetic base, and the rag it was kind of in between the paint and the magnetic base. And I guess that'll do it. Last drive. Boy, I'm gonna miss this one. I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss it. Y'all have a blessed day.